So here are the items that I ordered from the Lush Kitchen last week, and they made these fresh, and you guys will remember this one from Mother's Day 2014. I have a video of this one already, and let me unwrap it so you can see what it looks like here. Excuse my hands. I don't have any kind of a manicure at the moment. I've been doing a lot of manual labor around the house, so. Okay, so this is it, and you can see it's a gorgeous blue color on one side and a gorgeous rose color on the other side. One says inhale and the other side says exhale. Here is the Fern Shui. I've been waiting for this one for about a decade now. This is one item that I personally have never tried. I don't even have a photo of it in my Lush Wiki encyclopedia. So there's no picture of this on my blog or anywhere. So this is something I have never had. You know, the real OG Lushies from the 90s remember this one, and from listening to them, it just sounded so wonderful. So now let's open it, and I'll show you what it looks like here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's the bottom of the ballistic. There it is. The Fern Shui Lush Ballistic, made in the Lush Kitchen on the first week of March 2015. And I'm telling you, you can't get more fresh than this, right, you guys? It was just made days ago. It's still got this really fresh quality to it. I just love it. I really, really wish I would have gotten more than one. So let's take a little bit closer look at it here. So you can see it's got the LUSH stamp on it. And it's got, I think that's the ferns. You can see all that plant material on it. So, all right, and I'm going to be making a video of this one in the tub so you can see that. Mud. And then here is Lily Savon, and or Lily Savon, and that's the Lily soap. This is the first product that Lush made in the Ghost fragrance. So after this soap was discontinued, Lush for Halloween that year made a shower gel in this scent, and they named it Ghost Shower Gel because we wanted that scent back as a shower gel, and now it comes out every year for Halloween almost. It's real popular. So this is the soap. And here is Smitten hand cream. This has the scent of snow cake that we all know and love from Lush. And so, oh, it smells so good. Oh, I'm just smelling it right now with the top off, and it's so lovely. It smells like something you'd want to eat. So that's Smitten hand cream. And now we'll get to this cute little guy here. The Mumkin Bubble Bar. Is this the cutest thing ever? This one is perfect. It's got its leaf intact and its stem, and it's very vivid in color. So getting these items fresh is wonderful. so it's a very strong scent. And so, yeah, so there's the Mumkin bubble bar. So I will make sure and take a video of this in the tub so you can see what it looks like in the bath. So now let's go ahead and open up this Thanks Mom gift. It says, say thanks for all the wisdom your mom has bestowed upon you over the years with this fruity little gift filled with lovely Lush kitchen products. And then we've got the items that are in this gift, which is the Comforter shower gel, the Comforter body lotion, and summer pudding soap. I love summer pudding soap. Love, 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 love. I love all of these things, actually. So, all right. And I think what I'm going to do is, I think I may not open this one. I think I'm going to leave this for now, just in case I may have a birthday coming up. So that's the Thanks Mom gift. So you can at least see how pretty it is from the outside. And that is it for my Lush Kitchen haul from the first week of March 2015. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on my next video. If you have any requests or questions regarding this particular Lush haul from the kitchen, please comment below, and we'll see you on the next video.